I figured it would be easier to do a video here to show this multi-page insert from 1986 Disney World Resort. The 2 pages right here. This is all attached and complete. You could see the notation about Premier Cruises. Predates the Disney Cruise Line, but this is really nice. You have a multi-page insert here that folds out to become about a 3-foot wide poster. Temporary Space Mountain, Morocco Pavilion on Epcot, France, China, Spaceship Earth, finishing off here with the Walt Disney World information, some seagulls, and the riverboat. So really nice multi-page pull out here from Walt Disney World 1986.